EagleRidge, Highland, Utah's premier roofing contractor. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in Highland, Utah, and the surrounding areas, including the 84003 zip code. Offering a full spectrum of residential and commercial roofing services, they ensure that all your roofing needs are met with precision and expertise. Whether you need a new roof, repairs, or ongoing maintenance, EagleRidge has you covered. For residential clients, EagleRidge provides top-notch services such as new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments, gutter installation and repair, and ice and water shield installation. They also specialize in soffit and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, all types of shingle installation and maintenance, siding installation and repair, attic and roof ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installation and removal, and energy-efficient sealing and caulking to enhance weatherproofing. For commercial clients, EagleRidge offers commercial roof installation and replacement, the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, preventative maintenance programs, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, and roof coatings to extend roof life. Additionally, they provide soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions for commercial properties, swamp cooler installation and removal at commercial sites, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. EagleRidge is committed to delivering high-quality services with meticulous workmanship and the use of premium materials. Their strong reputation in the local industry is built on customer satisfaction and positive referrals. For all your roofing needs, contact EagleRidge at 801-784-1457. Discover why they are Utah's premier roofing and construction experts, proudly serving Highland and the Wasatch Front. EagleRidge stands out as a top roofing contractor in Highland, Utah, offering expertise in both residential and commercial roofing. Their comprehensive services include new roof installations, repairs, and maintenance. Specializing in asphalt shingles, metal roofing systems, and more, they ensure that your roof stays in top condition with their skilled team providing expert repairs, thorough inspections, and reliable roof replacements. EagleRidge's experienced team is committed to providing high-quality workmanship and using premium materials. Their dedication to customer satisfaction is reflected in transparent communication, competitive pricing, and timely project completion. Clients consistently praise their attention to detail and reliability, making EagleRidge a trusted name in the local roofing industry. At EagleRidge, quality is the foundation of their business philosophy. Their team undergoes continuous training to ensure that they are up to date with industry best practices. Customers consistently commend the company's superior workmanship and meticulous attention to detail, as evidenced by positive reviews and referrals. For all your roofing needs in Highland, Utah, contact EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 and visit our website for more information.